Hello everyone, today we'll be studying Java MySQL connectivity, that is how to create a connectivity between Java and MySQL, how we can take input from the user or insert data in the database. So for that, firstly we'll have to create a database in MySQL. Everyone knows how to open this command prompt and MySQL-u root. Then the next step is to create a database. So create database. Suppose I have created a database named mycomp. Okay, here I have created a database. The next command that you will be using is use mycomp, that is use this database. Now we'll have to create a table in this database. So for that we will have to type the command use mycomp. The next command that you will be using is create table name. Here I have entered the table name as item, item. Then over here IID, that is item ID, will be integer data type and I have made it as a primary key. Then iname, that is item name, it will be in characters and it's I have given as 50 characters and size will not exceed 50. Then iCost, that is item cost, it will be integer data type. And the fourth element will be iQuantity, that is IQTY, it will also be in integer data type. So I have created a table with this 4 elements. The next thing, here I will show you the table which I have created, that is describe item, describe the table name. So what are the fields? IID, iname, iCost and iQuantity. It is of integer data type, character, integer. And here it can't be null because I have set it as a primary key. Now this was about creating a table. Now we'll insert data using Java. So for that, firstly you will have to create a new project. Here I have created a new project named Java MySQL Connectivity. This is my new project. In this project, I have added in this Java MySQL connectivity form banaya hai. So here using this new JForm. So I have created a form named insert. Over here, add new item label. This is a label. This is label. So these are 5 labels: item ID, item name, cost per item and quantity. This will be taking the input from the user. So here it will be, these are the 4 text fields. Text field. And here we will need 2 buttons. First is insert button and second is close button. Insert button and close button. So now let's see its source code. Before typing the source code, we'll need to import these 2 packages. Import java.sql.star and semicolon. Do not forget to type this semicolon. Next is import javax.swing.jOptionPan. In this jOptionPan, J will be capital, O will be capital and P will be capital. So we need to import these 2 packages because we are using it over here down. We will be using these packages. So before we use it, we will need to import it. Then after importing those 2 packages, just double click on this insert button. Here I have already typed the code which I will be explaining. So over here, try and then in curly braces you will write class dot for name, class dot for name, and this is the database driver. It registers the database driver. Now it is different for everywhere you get different driver name. So here, to get your driver name, so over here in the services database, over here in drivers, you can see this MySQL connector JDriver. So just customize it and check over here the driver class. Whatever the driver class is there, copy it from here. Just copy it, and over here it will be our driver class. Whatever we have copied, you will paste it over here. So here we have registered a database driver. Then next is, now we need to create a connection. So connection name over here I have named it as con driver, that is this driver manager dot get connection. You need to get a connection. It opens a connection named JDBC MySQL /localhost 3306. This is the port number 3306. Here your table name, I have created the table with the name mycomp. So this is the database with the name mycomp. Here you need to specify the database name. Next over here, comma root is the, now if you don't have any username, you will type root, or else whatever username and password is there, you will type it over here. Root is the username, comma I have left this blank because I have no password set, so it will be blank, and then close round bracket and semicolon. Now the next thing that I am going to do is I'll create 5 strings. I have created 5 strings over here. The use of this 5 strings, you will get it in the later part of the program. So string IID, INAME, ICOST, IQuantity and SQL. I have created this 5 strings. Now what will these 5 strings do? What are these 5 variables? Now ID, name, cost and quantity. What is these things? Over here, just a second. Over here, I have renamed this field, this text field. I have named this as ID, name, cost and quantity. This 4 text field, I have changed its name. See over here, using change variable name, I have changed the name, that is ID, name, cost and quantity. ये मेरे 4 text field के name हैं. Over here in the source code, what we have done is IID.getText, मतलब वो IID जो text field है उसमें हम लोग जो भी लेंगे getText and round bracket semicolon. So ये डेटा हम लोग डालेंगे IID में. Then name.getText, मतलब name वाले text field में जो भी आएगा वो हम लोग डालेंगे INAME variable में. Cost in ICOST and quantity in IQTY. Okay. So ये चारों जो टेक्स्ट फील्ड जो भी है वो हम लोगों ने इन वेरिएबल्स में डाल दी है इसकी वैल्यूज. नाउ वी हैव टेकन द इनपुट फ्रॉम यूजर, बट नाउ वी विल हैव टू इंसर्ट दिस डेटा इन द MySQL table in the database created over here. So how are we going to do that? Firstly, जो हमारी क्वेरी होगी यहाँ पे, आई हैव सी ओवर हियर एक और वेरिएबल बनाया था ना SQL, so we are going to use this SQL variable over here. It will be SQL equal to insert into item values, insert into table name. As we do it in MySQL, we use the same query na, insert into table values, and whatever values are there that we specify. So over here SQL equal to in double inverted commas insert into item values. What values? Over here IID, INAME, ICOST and IQuantity. We need to insert these things na. So over here you will write it as in double inverted commas plus IID plus close inverted commas comma. Now in single inverted commas, again in double inverted commas, after single inverted comma, double inverted commas plus INAME, close double inverted comma, close single inverted comma, double inverted comma, then it will be ICOST. You will add ICOST, and the last one it will be IQuantity. So this 4 things you will be adding, insert into item values. अभी ये हम लोगों ने डाल दिया है, सब SQL में डाल दिया है ये एक पूरी क्वेरी, लेकिन ये क्वेरी रन करनी पड़ेगी. So for that we have created a statement named ST to execute this query. अब ये क्वेरी हम लोगों ने बना दी है, SQL में डाल दिया, पर इसे एग्जीक्यूट करना पड़ेगा. So उसके लिए सबसे पहले we will create a statement named ST, statement ST, and then we have created a connection. कौन हम लोगों ने जो बनाया था ना यहाँ पे connection, we are going to use that statement ST equal to con dot create statement. यहाँ पे एक statement बन जाएगा ST नाम का. Then over here in the next step, ST, that is the statement which we have created, the connection which we have created, dot execute update. This is the syntax. It is execute update, and in round brackets you will write SQL. What is SQL? Over here the query which we have created. ST dot execute update SQL. Then now this is executed. But how will we know that our table is updated or not? कि वो सक्सेसफुली हुआ है या नहीं. सो फॉर दैट एक मैसेज बॉक्स हम लोग डाल देंगे अगर ये एग्जीक्यूट हो गई, ठीक से कुछ एरर नहीं आया. सो यर यूजिंग J ऑप्शन पैन, जो हम लोगों ने पैकेजेस इंपोर्ट किए थे ऊपर, दैट J ऑप्शन पैन डॉट शो मैसेज डायलॉग, शो मैसेज डायलॉग. In round brackets you'll write null comma item added successfully. वो एक मैसेज देगा, that is item added successfully. एक मैसेज बॉक्स आएगा जिसमें लिखा होगा item added successfully. Then अब आइटम तो ऐड हो चुकी है, लेकिन वो जो हमारी टेक्स्ट फिल है, अभी हमारा बॉक्स आएगा, जो इनपुट बॉक्स आएगा, वो वापस हम लोगों को ब्लैंक करना पड़ेगा ना, फॉर दी नेक्स्ट, टू टेक दी नेक्स्ट इनपुट. सो id डॉट सेट टेक्स्ट, हाँ हम लोगों ने गेट टेक्स्ट किया था, ओवर हियर वी विल सेट द टेक्स्ट एज ब्लैंक. सबको हम लोग ब्लैंक कर देंगे. एंड देन कॉन डॉट क्लोज, वो जो कनेक्शन हम लोगों ने क्रिएट किया था वो क्लोज कर देना है. नाउ आफ्टर दिस द कर्ली ब्रैकेट्स, ये ट्राई वाला जो कर्ली ब्रैकेट है ये आपको क्लोज करना है. यू विल हैव टू क्लोज द connection over here.